So I need to share a good moving tip, because one thing that I've learned is I have a preference for boxes. Who would have thunk that I'd have a preference for boxes? So I don't know if they come in larger sizes. I'm assuming they do. But for the most part I was using just like your typical boxes that you have to fold and tape at the bottoms and everywhere. Just annoying, and I have no motivation. So I had gotten these because I just needed smaller boxes for plates and stuff. And I just saw a review under I liked that it had handles and a lid, and the review underneath it was, you know, some folks saying, we'll never buy any other boxes. So I see why. Look how easy this is, okay? It comes in one piece. You don't need to tape anything. And it seems pretty sturdy. Again, I haven't moved yet, but it seems sturdy, and other folks have spoken highly. So yeah, did you see that? There's just these different perforated spots. They're numbered too. There are numbers to indicate what order. That says 2. You need to do these steps. The first time I did it, I was kind of confused. And you know, it has directions on here, so I just read those. And I tend to be good at kind of visual stuff. But yeah, this is the lid. It's attached to it, so you just pull it off from the perforated section. Put that aside. Once I did it once, it was like a reflex, you know. So yeah, it's super easy. You got this, right, box, and then all you do is this. First, you fold down the part that says 1. You fold down the part that says 1, and then you fold down these parts that say 2. You fold them in, you push it down, you flip it upside down, you pull up a tab. It has a tab, it's easy. And then you pull up these ones that say number 2. You couldn't even see what I was doing, so let me do that one more time. It's so easy. Okay. So when I flipped it upside down, this is what it looked like. I pull out this. I pull these up. I put this first piece back down. There's your box. How do you fold the lid? Super easy again. It's perforated. I don't even have to push anything. You fold it like a pizza box. You just fold these in, fold these in, fold this over, other side, fold these in, fold this over, and you just do it. Boom. There's your box. I didn't need to tape anything. It's got handles, it's got a lid. The lid is kind of handy because you packed your stuff. It's especially handy for those last minute things that you might think you need towards the end. I could always take the lid off and get things again. When moving time is like a day away, I guess I'll probably go in and just put some reinforcing tape. But this lid is, you know, it's fine. I mean, that's my box preference. Banker's box. Also has a handy place to write what's in it, a box you can check for fragile, and it has a list of common rooms, and you can just check off which room rather than having to write it all down, even though I go in with a marker and write it down anyway, because I don't want to have to like look at something tiny. I want to be able to see, you know, from a distance where something's going. But I have a box preference, so just letting you know in case you got a move coming up. These boxes are great. You can see I've got a bunch of them piled up here. I mean, now I gotta go and tape up some of these bigger ones though for some of the last larger items I have. What a pain. I've been spoiled with this. Okay. Ciao.